Do you really have to go?
Don't worry, Kakutaro. Your father is a strong man.
Look! What did you wish for, Kakutaro?
Huh? Oh, I think Father should be the first to say.
I am a samurai, so I don't need to rely on the gods.
That's for sure. I'm a samurai too, so I don't need to rely on the gods either.
Well, it's all right for women to make wishes. So I did. I prayed for your father's safety. How about you, Hinaganu?
Yes, I prayed for Father's safety too. And I also prayed that we could be this happy forever and ever, until the end of time.
Don't worry, Hinaganu. We'll protect you, and you can be sure I'll always be here to take care of you. You can count on me. You know, Hinaganu, Father's a brave man, isn't he? Well, when I grow up, I'm going to be a brave samurai like he is. Just you wait and see.
Well, is this Ikaku Akaiwa guy really that strong?
Oh, yes, you'd better believe it. He's the best swordsman in Shimono, I tell you.
So you think he's even better than me, this guy? Huh? Boy, what a sunset.
You know, I wouldn't go up there on a day like this if I were you. Oh, they say there's a demon cat that lives on Koshin Mountain.
A demon cat? Huh?
That was Ikaku Ikayoa.
Huh? He's tougher than me?
Poor guy. I guess it's a samurai's nature to have to overestimate his own prowess. Just like that other guy.
Hey, look, if you got something to say, just say it.
Well, it was actually like this.
Ha! That's stupid. As if a woman could get pregnant by the curse of some wild cat living in the mountains. But it's strange that this Ikaku guy just changed all of a sudden. Used to be a respected warrior in the town, and now he's like some wandering bully. Yeah, it's pretty horrible if you ask me. A guy who would kill his own wife like that. Hey, maybe it's a curse. Nah, can't be.
everything was just fine, all the way up until those two innocent young kids grew into adulthood. But then, after they decided to get married, Master Ikkaku's second wife, some woman by the name of Funamushi, started to feed him all kinds of strange talk. Somehow, she managed to talk him into stepping in and putting an end to their relationship. And to top it off, people say that the big reason for the split was that Hanaganu had somehow mysteriously become pregnant. And that Mr. Samurai is why everyone talks about there being a curse. You know, Miss Hanagana is a fine, upstanding young lady with a real sense of proper etiquette that is rare these days. She's definitely not the type who would ever consider committing adultery.
Did I just see a ghost? I think I'd better rest for a while and wait until daybreak. Monster. Hey! I thought it was the mountain moving before, but it was just these guys. But what are they all doing here like this? That's really strange. Hey, Ikkaku! That's you, isn't it? Huh? Hey. What?
You must not go that way.
I'm not buying that!
This way.
Okay, whatever.
Kenpachi, please save Kaktoro. Please save him. Save him.
Kaktaro, I've come here knowing full well that you might scold me. Please open the door. For God's sake, please listen to what I have to say. Why will you not see me? Surely you can't believe I would ever be unfaithful to you? It's all too much. Father and mother can think what they want, I don't care. But for you to think that... I hate this swollen belly of mine. And I hate you too. You're just obeying your father by not speaking to me, aren't you? Why won't you just face me one time and tell me that I must give you more time to think about things? No, that was a lie before. It was nonsense. How could I ever hate you? It's just that I want so much for you to believe that this swollen belly of mine is caused by some illness and not by a child inside. Please.
Hey, you! Why the hell don't you at least say something to your own wife, you bastard, huh?
I don't have to account to a stranger for anything.
So you are in there after all, you son of a bitch! Heartless bastard! What? Idiot! If you're gonna cry about it, then why the hell did you send her
bead.
away? What about it?
Where did you get this?
So what? What do you want? Shut up. You think I want to be associated with a heartless jerk like you? If you've got a birthmark, show it to me here and now. Your ass?
I see. So there are others who also have beads like you and I. But right now my own bead is with Hinagana. Or I suppose I should say it was with her.
You mean the girl I saw?
The poor girl has had a rough time. Ever since her parents died when she was very young, she's bounced around between the homes of various relatives. From the time she was just a little girl, Hinagana has loved the way the bead shines. She always said that looking at it made her forget all the bad things. However, for some reason or another, our stepmother Funumushi wanted the bead for herself. Hinagana refused to give it to her, saying it was very dear to me. So when our stepmother finally tried to take it from her by force, Hinagana ended up swallowing the thing. She just laughed about it and said that at least it was better than if she'd just given it away.
Look, it's obvious to me that you still love her. And if you love her, then you should just take her in your arms and tell her.
If only I could. Genpachi, I may have been disowned by my family, but that and the fact that I must live apart from my wife are only temporary things. My father right now is not my real father. I can't say any more about it.
This rain might as well be Miss Hinaganu's tears flowing down. I'm starved. Come on, let's eat something.
I'm not hungry. Hinaganu.
Kakutaro, you must not despise your father, Kakutaro. Since he came down from the mountain, he's just been a little overexcitable. I'm sure that soon enough, he will go back to being your father of old. Soon he will... soon he...
Mother? Mother?
She's pregnant, you say?
There's no other way to explain it.
She's not even out of mourning for her mother, is she?
She must have gone off with some man.
That's a lie.
Then how do you explain your swollen belly? I suppose you expect us to believe that it's simply the result of overeating. It would appear that your husband can't explain it now, can he?
Please believe me, Kakutaro. I didn't do anything.
Wait! Hinaganu! Don't go! Wait! Wait! Hinaganu! Hinaganu! It can't be.
Okay.
You're going to my father's dojo, you say?
Yeah, there's something that's been bothering me. You know, I've heard that some women can get pregnant by just wanting it badly enough. But I should mind my own business, eh?
You'd better be very careful, Mr. Inukai. My father seems to have some kind of evil power these days.
You're making it sound as if he's some kind of monster. This place does seem a bit strange. Kind of a bloodthirsty atmosphere. Sort of spooky, actually. That must be Ikaku Akaiwa.
My name is Totoyato of the Akaiwa Dojo.
I'm Genpachi Inukai from Shimosa.
Prepare yourself.
Let's go. I think I might have hit him a little too hard.
My name is Hataro Katari. You fight me next.
Is this how you do things in this dojo?
Restrain yourselves. I'll be your next partner.
Well, okay. Come on then. That's funny. When I saw him yesterday, both his eyes were fine. So you really are a monster.
Kill him.
So if I love her, why don't I take her in my arms? Mr. Inukai.
Things are looking pretty bad.
Come inside. What do you want, Father?
You've got a man holed up here. Where is he?
There must be some mistake.
Are you saying he's not here?
Yes.
That would appear to be the case. Give me that spear. Kakutaro, it certainly did rain hard today, didn't it? Kakutaro, there's something I'd like to discuss with you. Come to my dojo.
Genpachi, are you all right?
That was close. He pulled the spear away right when the tip touched my bead. It saved me again.
I see. That is good.
Huh? Sorry.
You have nothing to be sorry for. Nothing at all.
I could never again face Master Inumura if I were to turn the other way in a situation like this. Now, could I, Miss Hinaganu?
Mozuhei, I do cause trouble for you, don't I?
No, of course not, Miss Hinaganu. But please, you really mustn't act impulsively.
Impulsively.
I know how hard it's been for you.
Kakutaro!
How foolish you are, Hinaganu. What daughter would startle at the sight of her own parent? Why are you so tense? Well, let us start with a drink.
Do you know what kind of fish this is, Kakutaro?
It's a herring, isn't it?
Yes, and you know that herring is the symbol for one's mother and father. And here we have Herring Roe, the offspring of the herring. Do you not see what an auspicious occasion this is? That we have both parents and children together, Kaktaro.
Does this mean that you no longer disown me, Father?
That is, if you too will swear your absolute devotion to me as your father.
Thank you so much. I, Kaktaro, do humbly swear my undying and eternal devotion to you, Father.
Whatever are you doing, Hinaganu? Pour your husband some sake.
Don't be in such a hurry. The flask isn't going to run away from you.
How did you injure your eye, Father?
That's so thoughtful of you to inquire, Kaktaro.
What? On Koshin Mountain?
The doctor says that if it is left untreated, his life may be in danger.
What?
That is true. Isn't there some kind of medicine that could help him?
Yes, there is. But unless you're absolutely true in swearing your devotion to me, I'll never get my hands on it.
Please tell us what it is. We will do anything at all to help, no matter how difficult. Won't we?
No, I think it would be too much to ask even of you two.
But what are you saying? We wish for nothing more than our father's health. I would even be willing to give my life.
All right, then. The doctor said that if I ingest the fresh gallbladder of a baby 4 months or older, as well as the heart of the mother, my eye will return to normal.
Why do you have no reply, Hinaganu? You just said that you'd be willing to give your life for your father's health, didn't you? Or were you just idly saying whatever came into your mind so that you could deceive us into trusting you? Which is it?
But Father! Hinaganu!
You believe in me, don't you?
Yes, of course I do.
Father, Mother, I would like for you now to see for yourself whether or not there's a baby in my belly!
Oh, no!
Hinaganu! 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 Might be. What the?
Kaktaro! Get rid of that bead! I said get rid of that bead!
Bastard!
What do you think you're doing, Kenpachi?
Don't you understand? Your father isn't human anymore. He's a monster!
Kaktaro! Do you intend to murder your own father?
Shut up, you! Monster! You idiots! Can't you see what's right in front of you?
What are you all waiting for? Seize him this instant!
Do you think you can kill me? Kaktaro, can you kill your own father? Can you kill your own father? Kill me!
It's that voice!
Father!
Huh?
This thing before you is not your father! Kaktaro, you must kill me! You must!
Father! Father!
Thank you. You were able to get to me before my heart turned completely into that demon. Please forgive me, Kaktaro. It was so long ago that I was taken over by the curse of the cat spirit.
But it happened on Koshin Mountain, didn't it? The cat.
Forgive me.
I wasn't able to do a thing. I couldn't help you at all.
No, Kaktaro. I am happy. You understood all the feelings in my heart. We truly became man and wife when our spirits joined together.
Naganu.
That was certainly brazen.
You wicked bitch!
So this is it. Was it only for this that I let you die?
It's just fate. We're all tied together by an invisible string that runs through those beads. You were caught under the spell of a demon, and that demon killed Hinagina. Just maybe the great power of that invisible string runs through everything there is.
My fate. The great power.
Yes, I prayed for Father's safety too. And I also prayed that we could be this happy forever and ever, until the end of time.
You say the city tires your eyes, it's anger and despair. You don't hear all the laughter that is there. I know you're caught in a fearful dream. The streets are not as dark as they seem. Please understand that time will pass and you will reach another place. I long to see a smile light up your face. And oh, I know you will shine again. So wipe your tears away, beautiful friend. Will soon erase the stormy night. Blue skies above a world that's new and bright. Hope dies, but then the clouds begin to part. Back into your heart.
Please play your flute for me once more before I die. Just once more. Be sure to watch the next episode for a new revelation.